So just like everybody else, we've just had quite a storm and everything's quite snowy. In fact, the snow was really gorgeous earlier on today, and the snowflakes were huge. I've never seen them so big. You know, they're sort of as big as a 10p piece probably, and I got absolutely soaked. But anyway, I'm down in the allotment just checking things out, and I thought I'd just walk you around. And I've opened everything up. I think it's really important when the beds are closed and the polytunnels closed to make sure everything gets a really nice, good opportunity for ventilation, because we've got the next storm coming tomorrow and it's actually going to be worse. So everything's open now and dripping away nicely to get rid of all that snow, so we maximise light levels. But everything is looking nice. This is my asparagus bed. I've just wrote this morning, whilst I was out of the rain, my guide to growing asparagus, so I was pleased to get that done. But all the spinach beds, purple sprouting broccoli, salad onions. This bed is just, it's got old lettuces in it. I'm just clearing those. Just about to plant on Wednesday, hopefully, all of the early Asian greens. Most of my other beds are kind of planted. So I've got bits of spinach and calabrese and things in here. And somebody commented when I was doing the tour video that I've got loads of lettuce, and I have, and you need loads of lettuce over winter in order to have enough lettuce in the middle of winter. But then of course you don't need it, so you want to transition over, I think, to beautiful new season beds, and then clear all your old season beds out and get them replanted. So as you can see, I'm replanting everything: calabrese and cauliflowers and turnips and beetroot and new season spinach, purple sprouting broccoli, and then down here old season spinach, which will be replanted with main crop onions in a couple of months' time. So I'm pretty happy with the way that everything has survived. I don't think I've got any damage. As I say, the worst of the storms coming tomorrow for us. Maybe just a few of these little Brussels sprout plants are a bit flopped over. Could do with a bit of support. I might add a bit of that for them. But other than that, they all seem to be doing great. So yeah, pretty happy. Oh, there's a bit of damage there. The next door neighbour's water collection system's come apart, so I'll get that fixed. But yeah, pretty pleased. So I'm going to leave this now, just getting fresh air, while I walk to the local supermarket and get some lunch. And then in about an hour's time I'll be back here and I'll close everything up, ready for the next set of storms.